that scarred Iris of the flooding and killing of the Albertosaurus, the male Albertosaurus. Iris trudges along the razor cliffs, hoping for something to happen sooner or later. Summer is approaching fast, and since the wet season is over and soon to come, the hunting season, the mating season is approaching fast. And when summer arrives, there will be barely anything left to drink. Peering across the landscape, she sees apparently nothing else to do. She doesn't plan to get into any trouble with any other dinosaurs today. She'll have to approach the baryonyx and end it forever. The raptors who have confronted the lion and tried to destroy him have come to the hunt. Esther gathers all of his strength for the fight. It seems like it would be the end for Esther today. Esther leaps back into the fight. Esther's bloodied beak from biting hard into the raptor's flesh. Esther is coming to an end. The raptor is bloody all over and is officially dead. Flinging the raptor over to the other end, Esther gets for a quick getaway. The large female Albertosaurus we saw recently is stomping through the woods in search of prey. She's dehydrated. hopes of finding some form of water inside the moss. But there's no luck. You have to return to the lake in the lush jungle, who unfortunately has already dried up, in hopes for another stream to slowly flow into the river. And grubs won't be enough to fill her. A Kentrosaurus finds himself to the lake and is glad to have such a humongous lake. There's such drought that's been happening, and more droughts are soon to come. The smaller Rex decides to go in. Well, he's seen, but he's followed to the bigger Rex. Smaller Rex wants something to drink, but the alpha will not allow this. The Kentrosaurus backs off and continues to drink in another spot of the lake. Now, a war in the middle of the lake is about to break out between Alpha and Peasant. Despite of his size, he is strong and nimble. The Kentrosaurus, done with his job, walks away. The Rex warns him to never come back to the lake as he turns around to face his opponent. The Rex prepares himself for another attack. The smaller Rex seems to be ready for the next movement he's about to make. He's just waiting for the bigger Rex to make his movement. The battle is done. The smaller Rex has won.